I'm going to ask if I can get your attention for the next few minutes over here at WXHC's pop-up. We appreciate them being with us tonight. So welcome to our August Business After Hours. It feels great to get back out, do this networking, make some fine introductions, and have you make those connections or reconnections that you've been doing. I want to give a special thanks, I'm going to talk about them a little bit more in just a second, but to Family Health Network tonight for hosting us, and I know there are tours of both facilities. If you want to see them, please do that, but how about a nice round of applause for Family Health Network? So many of you know that the Chamber has 6 causes that we focus our work on, and one of those causes is diversity and inclusion, and I want to talk tonight a little bit about how this plays a very important role in that, because when we talk about diversity and inclusion, it means every minority or underrepresented group you can imagine. And in a community like ours, a rural upstate community, that also means our outlying areas and sometimes the economically disadvantaged. And what you're witnessing right here with this van helps Family Health Network and our entire community to serve that population. I'm going to have Kim talk more specifically about how they plan to use it, but we applaud the fact that they went through the pain that they did in order to do that, not only for their team, but for our entire community. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to Kim Osborne, Executive Director.
Thank you, Bob, and thank you for coming, everybody. Welcome. As Bob mentioned, Family Health Network, we are actually in our 50th year in 2022 of providing quality healthcare services to some of the most vulnerable populations in Cortland County and our rural communities. For those of you who don't know Family Health Network, we have 5 medical sites, 2 located in Cortland, 1 in Cincinnatus, 1 in Moravia, combined with dental services, and 1 in Marathon. We're in 4 school-based health centers. We provide behavioral health services, OBGYN services, primary care. We do the whole gamut. We don't turn anybody away due to an inability to pay. And as Bob mentioned, behind everybody is our first and maybe last mobile medical unit. I do want to give a shout out to Joe Savicle. Joe is one of the people, along with Megan, who is our Chief Operating Officer, and one other employee at Family Health who actually went to truck driver school. You know, the challenges that and logistics that come with a mobile medical unit, we didn't realize until we were planning, which this process has been over the course of about 5 to 7 years. I think the most exciting thing for us is mobile medical unit, meaning finally we are going to patients. We are going to patients where they may not have access to care. Family Health Network is the only source of health care in 3 of the communities where we have a community health center. So, you know, patients may not be able to get to the doctor and get to the services. And we're there for them, and we will be bringing those services. The mobile unit will be on the road at least starting 1 day a week as soon as we can get all the logistical paperwork done. Took Joe, 5 trips to the DMV to register? Yes, so we finally got it registered. Our goal is to be on the road by sometime in October, where we will be providing most of the services that we provide in our health centers on the mobile unit. We will be in locations in McGraw, Truxton, and South Selick, and hopefully eventually Ithaca. Family Health Network serves about, or does about 48,000 to 50,000 visits in our community every year, serving about 15,000 unique patients annually. There's a lot of great things happening, and we look forward to being here another 50 years. I will be retired, but hopefully we will continue to provide the quality services in our community that we've done for the last 50 years. Thank you for everybody attending tonight. Please enjoy food, and if you have any questions, this is our senior leadership team. Feel free to stop any one of us. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have.
Thanks again, Kim. And we also appreciate the fact that they brought Mike and M&D Deli here to provide great food, and Homer Hops is here with their beer as well. I think we have some door prizes.